Kia ora, climbing comrades and curious cats or dogs. Welcome to the ever-evolving Pakeho. Go visit the sheep. I mean the wall. Climbers of the land. You just see a little bit of the main wall there. So what you're seeing here isn't your definitive gospel truth guide to every single hold and beta bash. Instead, consider this your slightly out of breath Sherpa showing you the lay of the land, or should I say the lay of the rock. I'll be giving you the only beta I know, which is how to get from point A, the car park, to point B, hopefully the bottom of an awesome climb. On this right side's got some really nice easy climbs. I think this is a 10. Let's all remember the landowners. Thanks for their generosity in sharing this incredible space. While we're here, respect good old Mother Earth. This means leaving no trace behind, being mindful of the environment and the creatures of the land. I'm talking about the farm animals, not the climbers. Yes, I'm trying to do this with an open can of fresh up in my hand. This is okay. So you got a cracked wall, just up there. Ah, the cracked slab. Don't let the name fool you, it's not that broken. Mostly just unintimidating friction climbing on fairly easy grades. This is a great space for beginner climbers. To the chill wall. This is where you will find I'm easy. I'm easy is lovely. And we got Stringer. The main crag is the beating heart of Pakeho. It's a glorious mishmash of rocks, roots, and hopefully some friendly faces. This is where you'll find most people that have managed to secure a park. Main wall. Classic Winnie the Pooh. This is such a beautiful space, even if you're not a climber. The development here is ongoing. A big shout out to all the crew putting in the hard yards. You are absolute champions. So, we have, where is the camera? Ooh la la. This bad boy. Behold the tower, standing proud and a little more exposed. There are some grand airy moves and fantastic views, totally worth the hike up around the corner. Now, there are some climbs at the base, however, I forgot the camera. Dope. We follow the main wall around. Hey! Stone stairs. Consider this nature's little warm-up climb. Enjoy the rustic stroll and try not to trip, like I definitely haven't done. Overall, the climbs here are shorter. Just go with the flow. Stone. Righty-ho. Even here is quite cool. Climbs. Land. Out to the sun. Just sort of sticking to the fence line on the left. Sheep. In we go. So, here's your access. You need to rappel in and climb out with all your gear. Enjoy. Now for the pièce de résistance that requires a little more commitment. The hanging valley. I have intentionally spent a bit more time hanging around in this part of the crag, just in case you're contemplating on taking the plunge and the climb out with all your kit. Down from the valley. Because of its more secluded nature and the abseil access, the hanging valley often has a different vibe compared to the main crag. It can feel more intimate, wilder, perhaps a little bit more laid back. The style can range from technical face climbing to more adventurous routes. Overall, this area has less traffic lines. Looking at we have a toilet with a view. So go forth, my children, explore. Don't leave me hanging, and hit that subscribe button. Happy climbing and safe travels to all of you out there.